Dear students, I am Ahmad Noman Sadiq. This video is actually part 2 of the video covering Hammersmith flyover, Hammersmith bridge, Fulham Road, Glenthorne Road and the other roads nearby. Actually, still there are some points to talk about. So let's talk about those important points. Suppose you are coming from this direction, which is west, and you are interested to go towards Hammersmith Bridge. So what must be your route? So let's start. So from here, if you are coming from here, that is from west, and you are interested to go towards south via Hammersmith Bridge. So what must be your route? Actually, there might be several options, but I am using this option to go towards Hammersmith Bridge, which is this one. So I am drawing that route like this. When I will reach here at this point, I will simply go towards this slip road. And here there is an interesting thing to note, that is there is a roundabout underneath this Hammersmith flyover. It should be very much clear, and it is very important to note about this roundabout, which is actually not very clear, but please note that this is a roundabout and it is underneath Hammersmith flyover, and you will definitely use this roundabout to go towards this bridge, which is Hammersmith bridge, like this. So always use this roundabout which is under the Hammersmith flyover to go towards Hammersmith bridge if you are coming from the west. So that is very important. So now you could continue your journey towards this direction. So that was very important point to note. But that is not the only way, or that is not the only option to reach here at Hammersmith Bridge. So you could also use the other way. I will not draw, but I will simply tell you those options. You could come like this. From here, you could use this Glenthorne Road, one-way road. From here, you could come like this, and then you could use this roundabout, and from this roundabout you could use this road, which is Bridge Road, and you could come like this. You could also reach here at the Hammersmith Bridge. So that might be the other option, but this is most direct route if you are coming from this direction, from this point to this. There might be another option that if you are coming from here, then you could use this way. Instead of going towards this direction via using this roundabout, you could also go into this direction, into this direction, and from here you could come like this. That is a little bit longer, but that is also not a wrong route. That is also right, but always it is always better to use most direct route. So I will simply suggest you to use this way, that is you always use this roundabout if you are coming from west and interested to go towards Hammersmith Bridge. So always remember this point as well. Also, there is one very important point to note. Now I am simply deleting these routes first, and then I will simply tell you that if you are coming from here and if you want to continue, or you are interested to go and reach over this A4 on this road, A4 road, so how can you do that? There might be some possibilities, but the most direct route will be this one. So this will be the case. You will simply cross the flyover like this, and you could reach here at A4 like this. So this will be the case. But it doesn't mean that this is the only way, but this is most direct route, and I will always suggest you to use the most direct route. But you could also use this way, that is you could use this slip road, and from there you could use this road, and you could join again here. So it is not much difference. There is not much difference between this route and if you go through these roads. So if there is a few meters distance difference, or if there is a difference of few streets, then there will not be any, you can say that then you will not lose the marks in that case if the difference is very small. So always remember that, but always try to use the most direct route. One last point I will I will try to tell and explain you that if you are coming from here and you are interested to go towards Fulham Road, so always remember you can't jump from here towards the Fulham Road, because Fulham Road is actually underneath this flyover, and you can't use, or you can't come like this. If you are coming from this direction, that is from west, and from here you can't come like this, so this will be considered as illegal maneuver, because how could you jump from this flyover over this Fulham Road? This is underneath and this is flyover, so always remember this point as well. And that is the end of part 2 of this video. Until next video, thank you very much.